This video is going to show you how McClure tables are packed and exactly what to expect with the table when it arrives at your location. We attach the cabinets on top of the playboard, and when you unload it from the truck you should see it intact like this. Generally, most trucking companies will let you climb up on the truck and cut these straps and remove these boxes separately and then get the crate off of the truck. The crate is the heavy part. Each of these boxes generally weighs about 100 pounds to 120 pounds. We pack the tables where their legs are inside of the cabinet boxes. Generally in a 14-foot table or 16 and even up to 18-foot tables, the cabinets are two pieces and you have three legs. One leg will be packed in one box and two legs will be packed in the other box. Just simply remove all the packing material and be careful and pull back the paper. And once you get the styrofoam out of the way and the paper pulled back, you can gently lift the cabinet up and out of the box. You can set it on the floor, on the ground, or in your room. And then the next thing that you need to do is we put a brace in there that's just to support the cabinet sides to keep them from cracking or splitting and any damage that might occur during packing. And you need to remove some of the screws, and then it is kind of wedged in there, so you need to kind of move it at an angle and then it'll get out of the way. Do not leave this on and then assemble the two halves of the cabinet. It'll be more difficult to remove because you won't be able to angle it, reduce some of the tension. This is the second cabinet box that we're starting to unpack, and this particular box has two legs packed inside of it, and it also has the assembly and hardware instructions, and any additional accessories that you may have ordered will also be packed inside of the cabinets. We take a lot of care and pride in how we package the tables. We have very, very few freight claims or damages. As long as you see the cardboard boxes and the table arrive intact as shown, you should have no problem with any damage. The next thing you need to do is remove the lid. The lids are put on with several screws, so it's very handy if you have one of these screw guns to remove all of the screws and then take the MDF OSB off the top. And once you take that off of the top, you'll be able to get to the playboard inside. The crates are very heavy. Typically a crate can be 450 pounds or more depending on the size table you have, but whatever the weight of that crate is, half of the weight is the crate and the other half is usually the playboard. This is a 2-inch 14-foot table. The crate is about 430 pounds, but the board inside is only about 200 pounds. Once you remove all the packing material, there's a brace in the end that you kind of need to move out, and then you can get your hands up underneath the board and lift the board out.